Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Google account profile picture. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to change your Google account profile picture is go ahead and open your Gmail. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Then click on manage your Google account. Once you selected manage your Google account, then you want to hang on a couple of seconds. Thereafter, click on personal info. Then hang on and click on profile picture. Once you click on that, hang on again for your Google account to display the current profile picture you have that you want to change. And then you can go ahead and click on remove or click on change to change the profile picture. Now you can select Google Photos to pick a photo from your Google account or select device to select the photo from your device. Now click on browse or take a photo. Then go ahead and select photos and video to select the photo from your profile picture. Then go ahead and select the profile picture. Now it should say uploading profile picture. Now you want to hang on for Google to upload your new profile picture as your Google profile picture. And after that, just go ahead and adjust the profile picture like this. Then click on next. Now you can see save as profile picture. Click on it to save this particular photo as your new Google profile picture. And then hang on for these settings to be saved. After that, it should say profile picture updated. Now you can now go back and then your profile picture is now going to be updated on your Google account. To confirm this, go ahead and open the Gmail again and then you should see your profile picture changed. You see that? So that is exactly how to change profile picture on Google account. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.